Welcome to this explainer on the Nexus Luxury Color Mastery Directives for designing truly high-end spaces. So what actually makes a home look expensive? Is it just a massive budget for high-end furniture? No, the real secret is that true luxury is actually crafted through intentional, proper color selection. Let's dive into our first category, mastering balance. It all starts by avoiding three huge mistakes. First, bright neon walls scream outdated. You definitely want designer-approved, balanced combinations to elevate things instantly. Second, overloading a room with bold colors just creates visual chaos. Control them for that premium look. And finally, pure white interiors often feel totally sterile. Add some warmth and texture to fix that. So, ditch the outdated neons, overwhelming bolds, and cold whites. That'll stop your home from feeling flat. Moving right along to category 2, mastering space and natural light. Illumination is absolutely critical here. Dark walls literally shrink small rooms. You can instantly fix this using space-enhancing luxury paint palettes. Also, never select paint blindly. You absolutely must adapt your color palette to the room's natural sunlight. Throw in some warm ambient lighting as a final touch. It makes those colors look totally cinematic. Okay, category 3 is creating coordination and contrast. This is where undeniable luxury is actually built. Watch out for mismatched elements, poor contrast, and missing accents. They'll quickly ruin your room's vibe. Got mismatched walls and flooring? Fix that by choosing unified tones that perfectly tie the space together. Because poor contrast completely ruins the luxury illusion. Create a clear, elegant distinction between walls and furniture. And without accent colors, a room just falls flat. Introduce vibrant pops strategically for deep visual interest. Finally, category 4, timeless textures and finishes. Avoiding short-lived trends is going to protect your home's long-term value. Slapping glossy finishes everywhere looks super cheap. Instead, try balancing wood, marble, and brass for refinement. Remember, trendy colors expire quickly. Timeless selections, on the other hand, maintain that high-end value forever. So here's your designer checklist. Balance colors, optimize light, boost contrast, and stick to those timeless finishes. It all comes back to that core directive. Luxury isn't expensive furniture, it's choosing the exact right colors. Mastering these rules from the Nexus Interior Design Lab guarantees a truly stunning luxury home transformation. So take a look around your room right now. Which secret mistake is currently cheapening your space?